Yes, yesterday just we have discussed about the chain problem. I think so many students are getting some trouble to understand that chain problem. So that's why once again I am repeating that topic, and after that connecting bodies. Just we have discussed only two topics, Nana. One is chain topic, another one is connecting bodies, connected bodies or connecting bodies, Nana. Connected bodies. These two topics we have discussed, Nana, yesterday. So for that purpose, simply just I am going to be calling, Nana. This is child. Suppose, yes, it is very easy topic, Nana. This is one table. On this table, one chain, Nana. One chain. One chain was placed like this, Nana. Just it was placed like that. The total length of the chain is capital L, Nana. The total length of the chain is capital L. This is total length, Nana. Total length of a given chain, Nana. And the small m is the total mass, Nana. Total mass of the given chain, Nana. So then it was placed like this. Then they're asking what, Nana? Simply, what is the coefficient of friction between the chain, surface of the chain, and surface of the table, Nana. On the table, chain was placed, Nana. So suppose if any body is placed on over the under body, definitely there will be some opposing force will be developed, Nana. That opposing force is called as simply frictional force. Due to that frictional force, we are getting some coefficient, that is analyzing by using the coefficient of friction, Nana. Coefficient of friction, Nana. Coefficient of friction, that is called simply mu s, Nana. Coefficient of friction. So what is the coefficient of friction between the chain and the table, Nana? Chain and the table. So I want to calculate that. For that purpose, simply total length is this much. Total length is this one. So just the hanged part, length of the hanged part is, let it be L, Nana. The length of the hanged part is L. Mass of the hanged part is M by N, Nana. 1 by nth of total length and 1 by nth of total mass, Nana. So 1 by nth of total length is small l. 1 by nth of total mass is M by N, Nana. So this is also called as L is equals to capital L by N, Nana. 1 by nth of capital L by N. That must be equal to this angle part. That is L. So these things they have given in the data. Then what is the coefficient of friction? That is the question. For that purpose, what you have to do, Nana? Simply, first of all, weight of the hanged part. Definitely, mass of the hanged part is M by N into G. Generally, weight nothing but a weight of the body is nothing but a mg, Nana. Weight of the body is nothing but a generally mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is M by N into G, Nana. M by N into G. M by N into G, Nana. Next, this mass of this remaining part. First of all, mass of this remaining part, the total mass of the chain is small m. But hanged part mass is M by N. Then mass of this part is yes M minus M by N, Nana. This mass, this part mass is M minus M by. This mass is 2 kg. The total mass is 10 kg. Total mass of the chain is 10 kg. This part mass is 2 kg. Then this part mass is how much? 10 minus 2, 8 kg. M minus M by N. M minus M by N. So weight of that body is simply M minus M by N is a mass into G. Weight of this part. Weight of this part I got. Weight of this part I got, Nana. Right? Two parts I got, Nana. So for that purpose, weight of this body and weight of this body I got, Nana. And a normal reaction capital N will be like this, Nana. Definitely. So from that diagram, Nana, someone is making noise. Please adjust your Right, capital N is equals to small m minus m by n into G nana. Capital N is equals to m minus m by n into G nana. Just let it be equation number 1. But you know very well about that. Yes, this frictional force between the chain and the surface in between these two. Friction force Fs. It was balanced by weight of this part, Nana. That is m by n into G. This is experimentally, Nana. Weight of this part, this must be equal to weight of that body, weight of the hanged part. So Fs is what, Nana? You know very well about that. Fs is directly proportional to n. Fs is equals to mu s into n. Fs is equals to mu s into n is what, Nana? I know that m minus m by n into G. Then I want to substitute it here. So mu s into m minus m by n into G is equals to m by n into G, Nana. Like that I got. Now, but my target is to calculate the mu s. So for that purpose, what you have to do, Nana? Simply first you have to take G cancel, Nana. And I am taking LCM. M is there, Nana. Mu s. I am taking common m, Nana. 1 minus 1 by n is equals to m by n. Cancel, Nana. And again I am taking LCM, Nana. Mu s into n minus 1, Nana. By n is equals to 1 by n. N cancel, Nana. So mu s into n minus 1 is equals to 1, Nana. I got this equation. But I want to calculate mu s, Nana. Mu s is equals to 1 by n minus 1. That's it. S is equals to 1 by n minus 1 by n. What is n, Nana? 1 by n minus what is n, Nana? Yes, just now we have taken sir n is equals to, from this equation you can write sir n is equals to n I am sending this side, L I am sending this side. N is equals to capital L by small l. Capital L by small l. You can also substitute that in this equation. So just I am substituting that value, Nana. Mu s, already task was over. Task completed, Nana. You don't worry about that. But now mu s is equals to capital L by n is equal 1 by n is equals to what, Nana? Capital L by small l minus 1. So 1 by capital L. I am taking LCM, Nana. Minus L by L, Nana. So you can also write L going to the numerator. L by capital L minus small l. Mu s is equals to. This is also one important equation, Nana. Just now we have discussed, yesterday we have discussed that one also. Yes, capital L minus small l by, small l by capital L minus small l. Two equations. By using those two equations also, you can get the value of mu s. So for that purpose only, just there we have calculated, we have derived this part, Nana. So otherwise you don't need to worry about that, Nana. So just for that purpose only we have discussed, Nana. Next, after that, mu s is equals to 1 by n minus 1, mu s is equals to small l by capital N minus small l. Then in some questions, they may give n value 1 by nth of, 1 by 5th of, 1 by 6th of, 1 by 10th of, 1 by 2 of, half of, 1/3 of, like that they can give. At the third, 2, 10, 25, like that. But those are the n values. You can substitute those values, you will get the answer. And in this, sometimes the length of the chain is given, the length of the hanged part of the chain is small l is given. Two points are given, two joints are given. What is the coefficient of friction? In that time, you have to substitute that length of the hanged part and the length of the total length of the chain. By substituting those values, you will get the mu s. Mu s is nothing but a coefficient of static friction. For that purpose only we have discussed it. Sometimes they may ask delta L by L. Just shall I rub this, Nana? Already the notes is also there. Yes. Just sometimes they can ask this one, Nana. They may ask this type of questions also. What is the fractional change in length of the chain? Fractional change, Nana. Fractional change nothing but it is actually mathematical word, Nana. Fractional change nothing but for this purpose, first of all, you have to write delta capital L by capital L. Change in length by original length. It's the formula, change. Already I told you delta nothing but change. You know very well about this. We have discussed in the first chapter. Yes, delta is what, Nana? It is a symbol for change. Change in capital L. Change in length of the chain. Capital L is original length of the chain, total length of the chain. So delta L by L, you can also write this is capital L minus small l by capital L. You can also write this as, yes, this is how much they are asking, Nana, actually. For that purpose, what you have to do, Nana? You know very well about that. Capital L minus delta L by L is equals to capital L minus small l by capital L. That is equals to L by L 1, Nana, minus small l by capital L. Yes, just now we have discussed about the small l by capital L. Yes, capital L by small l, Nana. It is not a small l by capital L. It is not a small l by capital L. It is capital L by small l. So I want to reverse this. Small l by capital L is equal to how much, Nana? Tell me.
1 by
N is 1 by N. That's it. Just I am going to substitute it here. 1 minus 1 by N. Yes, answer is over already. But for our convenience, we are changing the sum. Yes, you can take LCM like that. You can take so delta L by L is equals to simply this one. Fractional change in the length of the given chain. After that, N is also you know very well about Nana. Yes, in terms of N, mu is there, Nana. Mu s is how much, Nana? 1 by N minus 1. Just now we have derived, Nana. Just I rubbed it here, it is there. So it was yes, it was there, Nana. Mu s is equals to 1 by N minus 1, Nana. So just I am taking LCM, Nana. N minus 1 by N. Right, Nana? And you can also write this as delta L by L. This is one delta L by delta L by L. From this N, before this one step is there, Nana. Or simply I am writing mu s is equals to 1 by N minus 1. Just I am adding 1 in the LHS side, in the RHS side, Nana. Then you will get mu s plus 1 is equals to 1 by N minus 1 plus 1, Nana. Then that is equals to 1 plus LCM I am taking. Just I am keeping like that only in the LHS side. But in the RHS side, N minus 1, N minus 1. Then what you have to do? Yes, 1 cancel. Remaining is N by N minus 1. I got one. Mu s plus 1 is equals to N by N minus 1. But here what is there, Nana? Not N by N minus 1. What is there? Please.
N minus 1 by N.
1 by N.
Reverse is there. Reverse is there. Reciprocal value is there. So for that reciprocal value, then what you have to do? Just for that reciprocal value, what is there, Nana? Suppose if you reverse this one, then you will get this is 1 by mu s plus 1. Delta L by L is equals to 1 by mu s plus 1. 1 by mu s plus 1. Like that you have to, you will get, Nana. Right? So just from this chain concept, how many equations we have derived, Nana? How many equations? One is mu s. This is the first equation. Another one is mu s, the second equation. And another one is delta L by L. This is the third equation. These three equations, this also you can take now. Third equation is this is in terms of n, this is in terms of mu s. Fourth equation. These four equations are very, 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 very important and very, very useful also. You can do the problems without doing the calculation, by seeing the problem only, by using the what is that, Nana? Concept formula, then you can get the answers, Nana, directly. Just those equations, just I am writing it here, Nana. Yes, first equation is what, Nana? In case of chain, first equation is what, Nana? Tell me. First equation is
mu s equals to
mu
1 by
s
n minus
equals
1.
1 by n minus 1. Second one is mu s is
Mu s equals to small l by capital L minus small l.
capital minus small l. Third equation. Third equation, Anna. Delta
L by L equals to 1 by n
1
minus
minus n minus
1 by n. Oh, sorry. 1 minus 1 by
1 minus
n.
Hmm.
Fourth equation, Anna. Delta L by
Delta L
L
by
is
L equals to 1 by mu s plus 1.
mu s plus 1. Just four equations I was deriving, Nana. Just these equations are important equations. You have to, suppose if you know about the derivation part also, then you will get the clarity about the what is the friction, what is going on here, and subject, about the subject you can learn, Nana. You will get the clarity about the subject. Suppose only if you remember these formulas, suppose if you, while doing the problem at the time of examination, simply definitely you are in a tension. Definitely. You can feel the tense, definitely. So, in that tension, definitely, suppose if anywhere it was struck up, then what you have to do, Nana? Then this formula, in this formula, what is n, Nana? Yes, with the derivation only you know very well about that n. N is what, Nana? Capital L by small l. How can you know? Yes, by remembering like that, that is the objective way. In the objective orientation, nothing but an entrance orientation, IIT, JEE Mains, MSET, NEET, like that examination, you have to remember that. What is the concept, what are the formulas. For IB purpose, then you have to
Derivations.
derivation part. You have to learn the derivation part also. You have to learn the derivation part also. Like that, simply you have to, yes, derivation part also. You have to learn like that. In two different ways you have to learn, because it is a September, sorry, already October 15, Nana, today. Today, October 15, Nana. So October 15 is nothing but a simply, yes, then almost, suppose in the general academic year, almost 70% of the syllabus will be covered definitely in the general academic year. Academic year is a very, very, very interesting academic era, a different academic era. It is a very different academic year. So in this academic year, up to now also, no. Up to now also, yes, no offline classes. That's why we are getting some troubles. Actually, we are also expected up to at least September, October, it will be started. They have expected like that, but till now also it was not started. The government is saying November 3rd, November 2nd, November, like that they are saying. But yes, whatever it is may be, but they are saying one condition. They given one smart condition, logical condition. What is that logical condition? Already academic year calendar was started from September 1st. Already, what is that, Nana? Already academic year calendar was started from September 1st onwards, Nana. Right? So all these are working days, Nana. All these are working days. So then, yes, how to overcome that drawbacks, Nana? This statement is given At what time, Nana? End of the September, Nana, month. End of the September month, they had given the statement, Nana. What is that? Already your academic year calendar was started, right, Nana? Already your academic year calendar was started from on what day, Nana?
September.
September 1st. Already 1.5 months completed according to our government side, our intermediate board. Then how can you do, Nana? So why I am saying, please be careful. Yes, now time to learn the IPE also. Yes, you have to focus on little bit IPE also. You have to focus on little bit IPE also. For the IPE paper, for the IPE purpose, what are the questions, Nana? Not all these questions. Not all these questions, Nana. In the IPE, just there are for every chapter there are at least 20 questions are there, from 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions, 8 marks questions. So total 3 sections will be there. So in that in those 3 sections there will be definitely, in those 3 sections there will be definitely how many, Nana? Definitely at least 20 questions are there. 20, around 20 questions. In some chapters some more questions, some less questions, like that, but average 20 questions, 20 to 25 questions are there for every chapter. Those questions are where, Nana? Exactly in the IPE examination they are asking questions from directly from the textbook, Nana. What is their question? Simply they are copying the question at there in the IPE examination. In the IPE examination. So definitely, yes, if you have textbook, suppose if you complete this one, if suppose after completion of this chapter, last of motion chapter, or while I'm explaining the last of motion chapter, then what you have to do, Nana? Then definitely, when you are while we are discussing about the laws of motion chapter, then what you have to do, Nana? Then definitely you have to check first of all, yes, what are the questions under the very short answer questions. Which question is there? Which type of questions they are asking? Under the short answer questions, what are the questions? Under the long answer questions, what are the questions? Some little bit problems also there. Small 10 problems, maximum 10 problems will be there. So for that purpose, what we have to do? Yes, you have to search it. When laws of motion chapter is going on here, then at that time only you have to open the book after completion the class. After completing the class, then you have to open the textbook. And yes, after the chapter, for every chapter there will be very short answer questions, long answer questions. 3 different sections there, and problems. 4 different sections will be there, Nana. So we are discussing IIT NEET MTET, nothing but a objective orientation. In addition to that, parallelly we are discussing about the IPE also. Right, Nana? Under the friction, one question is there now. Mention the different types of friction. How many types of frictions, Nana?
4 types.
Tell me.
Static
What are they?
printing friction,
Smitting friction,
kinetic friction,
kinetic
rolling
friction,
friction.
rolling friction.
That's it. That is the one question. 4 marks question, Nana. That is one 4 marks question. One 4 marks question will be there, Nana. Definitely. In the IPE examination, it is asking as a 4 marks question, Nana. Types of friction. Right? And another question, Nana. 2 marks question. Define the static friction. Define the, like that. What is the define friction? Define friction. What is friction, Anna? Friction. That is a 2 marks question.
Force which opposes the relative motion of 2 bodies.
That's it. That is a 2 marks question for IPE examination. No need to again you have to specifically specifically no need to learn the IPE. If you learn these things, then definitely you will get everything. some little bit parts will be definitely will miss. Those at the revision time, definitely we will cover those topics also. We have some revision time now. After completion of syllabus, we will get definitely we will conduct some revision. Revision nothing but for the IPE purpose we will give some clarity. So in that some little bit some topic was missed. Then what you have to do? Then at that time what you have to do? Na? Yes, this topic was missed. Then I will explain on the board. Like that already for after every chapter, just I am explaining about the questions, Nana. After laws of motion, I have sent you some IP questions also. I think. Did you forget? Forgot, Nana? Already after laws of motion chapter, previous chapter, not this last. Sorry, not laws of motion. After the two-dimensional motion in a plane. Previous chapter, not this chapter. Previous chapter. After the previous chapter, completion of previous chapter, then what I have sent you, Nana? I have sent you already some 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions, 8 marks questions, under that questions. So 2-3 questions only not covered. Remaining all are covered, Nana. I told you already. Like that, after completion of this chapter also, I will send some questions, Nana. Check it once. Questions and what is the answer. Yes, definitely you will get, Nana. Suppose if you are going like that, then you will get the more clarity about the syllabus, which syllabus is there under IP, under IIT, like that. Yes, everyone is thinking like this, Nana. Everyone is thinking like this. 70% of the syllabus only there. 30% of the syllabus was deducted. Please remove that point from your mind. Please remove that point from your mind, Nana. That is useless statement, Nana. Please. 70% of the syllabus only useful. For what? Tell me, Nana, for what? For IP, board examination purpose. For IP purpose only. Right? And remaining topics, actually, under this laws of motion, so many students ask me, sir, under this laws of motion, Newton first law of inertia, Newton second law, Newton third law, sir, all these are deducted, sir. So many students have sent some message to me also. Right? Just for that purpose I am saying. Then that syllabus was deducted, but without Newton first law, Newton second law, we can't discuss all these things. Without Newton's laws, we can't discuss all this. We can't explain the situation, Nana. So for that purpose, what you have to do, Nana? For the purpose, what you have to do? Definitely you must learn that deducted syllabus also. Suppose if you are learning only IPE, then what you have to do, Nana? Yes, you can leave that, no problem. You can leave that, Nana. No problem. But you are expecting more, Nana. You are expecting more. So for that purpose, you have to apply. Not only simply one question is there, that question is asking in the examination. So from the book only, just you are writing. But now here in the objective orientation examinations, you are not getting direct question. Definitely you are not getting single question also not getting directly. Single question also not getting directly, Nana. Definitely some similar models will get, Nana, by changing the numbers, by changing little bit some statement, given data, like that only you will get, Nana. Single bit also you can't get, Nana. You won't get in the objective examination. So for that purpose, every statement, every sentence is also very, 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 very important to us, Nana. Every statement is very, very important to us, Nana. For that purpose only we are discussing. Right? So don't think about the directed syllabus. And for the IP purpose, after completion of every chapter, I will send the questions already. according to syllabus, what is there, according to intermediate board syllabus, what are the questions asking in the examination, all those questions after the chapter only, completion of chapter only, I am sending. Please verify those questions. What are the answers for that questions? Please search for that in our running notes. Definitely it will be there. And the textbook is there. Definitely you must definitely require some textbook, Nana. Academic textbook also required, Nana. Required, it is must required, Nana. Definitely it is required. Academic textbook is required. So for the purpose of reference book or for the purpose of some exercise questions, nothing but in the IP examinations, definitely questions are coming from that exercise. After the chapter, for every chapter there will be some set of questions. From that questions only you are getting the questions in the IP examination. For that purpose it is must, Nana. Right? Please after the completion of every chapter I am sending, you have to also verify those questions, Nana. For that purpose only I am giving. This is about the chain. And the next topic is what, Nana? Connected bodies. Yes, already signal is coming. Next class signal is coming, Nana. Right. Connected bodies. Tomorrow I will explain about the connected bodies. Is this clear, Nana? For all?
Yes, sir.
Nana, is this clear? For all?
Sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And also I am sending the notes, Nana. Personally I am sending the notes for all the students. Personally I am sending the notes, Nana, for all the students. Not in the group. Laws of motion, especially laws of motion chapter. Personally for every student I am sending the notes, Nana. Please write it in your new notebook. Laws of motion. Actually, just I was expected at least ending of the September month or at least middle of the October month offline classes will be started. Just but it was not started. Just not happened. So for that purpose, just I was changed my another way. I am going in another way. That is simply laws of motion 5th chapter, Nana, in our syllabus, and work energy power 6th chapter. So these two chapters are very, very similar. Suppose if you are clear about the laws of motion, you will get everything under the work power energy. So these two chapters, laws of motion, work power energy, these two chapters are very similar, Nana. Very, very similar. Here you are getting troubles, but at there you will enjoy, Nana. Definitely you will enjoy these two chapters. So what I am saying, please buy a new notebook. In that only, from starting onwards, laws of motion. After completion of laws of motion, work power energy. Only two chapters you have to write in the special notebook. Right, Nana? 100 page or at least or 200 page also, no problem. 100 page notebook is enough for you. So that notebook you have to write, Nana. In that notebook you have to write. What is that, Nana? What I am saying? Definitely, there are two different chapters, but they are having similar concepts. So simply, yes, this is dynamics, Nana. Dynamics. Under the dynamics, two chapters are there. What are they? One is
Laws of
laws
motion.
of motion. Second one is work
Work
power
power
energy.
energy. Work power
Work power energy. Two chapters. These two chapters under the dynamics. Under the kinematics, what are they, Nana? Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. In the IPE, 1D motion, 2D motion in the, yes, according to objective. IIT, MSET, NEET, like that examination. So what I am saying, those two chapters are different, these two chapters are different. Those are under the kinematics, these two are under the dynamics. And another chapter is there, Nana. What is that? Can anyone? Mathematical
projectile
tools.
motion.
Projectile motion comes under 2D motion, Nana. 2D motion and motion is plane. Both are same names. Two different names. Motion is plane, 2D motion. Another chapter, mathematical tools chapter is there, Nana. That is different. That is different. Mathematical tools. That is the first chapter. But that is not in the IPE syllabus. It is not there in the IPE syllabus. Okay, Nana? Yes, sir. Tomorrow also I will give some a little bit clarity about the syllabus and what is going on here and what I am going to discuss and what you have to do. And personally, I am sending, Nana, for all the students. I will send the notes, Nana. Just I am designing that laws of motion chapter, Nana. 2 chapters I am concentrating, Nana. Very, very important chapters. Very, very interesting chapters, but a little bit difficult also.
Sir,
Tell me.
projectile motion write in new book.
No problem. If you write starting from projectile motion, some students I said, Nana, said with some students, Nana. Yes, you can also write from projectile motion also. But if you have any possibility, only 2 chapters you can write, Nana. Only 2 chapters. I think Sampada like that. One or two members. I said like that for one or two students. Those who are writing projectile motion from starting in the new notebook, don't worry. That is also yes. I told you what are those, Nana? Under the kinematics, what are the chapters, Nana? Motion in straight line, motion in plane, or 1D motion, 2D motion. Under the 2D motion, projectile motion is there, right, Nana? And the next, yes, personally, definitely, I will call you, Nana. For all the students, I'm calling. I will ask. Yes, if you have any doubt, yes, I am sending the notes. Yes, within the week, definitely total notes will complete, Nana. I am expecting up to Saturday. Okay, Nana? Yes. If you have any doubt, you can personally you can ask me, Nana. You don't worry. And but one thing, motion laws of motion, work power energy. These 2 chapters will be definitely similar topics. This is little bit difficult, but that is very easy because all the concepts which you have covered in this only at there. Similar topics will be there. Right, Nana? Yes. Shall I stop the class? Another class is there. Signal is coming in on my device. All right. Tomorrow I will continue. And please, as early as possible, complete the notes, especially laws of motion. I am sending personally to all the students. Right. So if I send that in the group, then it will go. You are not writing. You are not writing, Nana. Yes, I am asking about especially about the what, Nana? About laws of motion. Laws of motion. If I send you, then definitely you have to write it in your notes. That is main thing, Nana. Right? Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will continue the class.